Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Mint Sundae in Bubble Gum Simulator. Start by opening the candy event shop and check the Mint Sundae cost immediately, then plan token farming. Focus on spins, daily mini-games, and selling duplicate event drops. Prioritize game modes that reward candy tokens quickly and join a group to farm together for faster accumulation. Once you hit 15 candy tokens, purchase Mint Sundae before the event ends. In this video, I will show how to get the Mint Sundae in Bubble Gum Simulator. Grab every opportunity that yields candy tokens and be efficient with your time. Use boosts or group buffs if available to double token gains during sessions. Rotate through map zones to trigger more event spawns and avoid idle waiting. Keep a checklist of daily tasks so you never miss easy token income that adds up fast toward the purchase. In this video, I will show how to get the Mint Sundae in Bubble Gum Simulator. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, easy to carry, and keeps drinks cold between sessions. It's perfect while you grind for tokens. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get the Mint Sundae in Bubble Gum Simulator. When you have enough candy tokens, head straight to the event shop and complete the purchase quickly. Avoid delays like opening inventories or switching servers during checkout to prevent token loss or glitches. If the purchase fails, report the issue promptly and attempt again in a low-lag moment. Secure the Mint Sundae as soon as possible to avoid losing the chance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.